Get this one started right on time. Your order for our stop truck EMA will be Farmer Phil, starting on number 1, Zach on the 2, Sanders 3, Chili 4, Jason 5, and Dave 6. All right, guys. Our stop's good. Marshals, be on your toes. Drivers, let's have a good clean start. We're going to race in less than 5 on the tone. Whoa, should be going for the big double. 360s out of it. Right to the Marshall's hand. 16, 17, 18. More or less how we started. We got Farm Phil, Zach, Mike, Jason, Chili, and Dave. Still pulling a little bit of a gap. This truck makes that double look so easy. Zach, however, had some trouble with it. Couldn't quite get over. Sanders came up short. That bound 7. Got the lucky bounce, no Marshall needed. 22 points to Sanders, 3.7 off of our leader. Farmer Phil over the double. And Sanders in the roller section tags the pipe, so that's going to let Zach close right up on him. Jason and Chili, nice jump pass by Chili. Chili's truck is flying over that double as well. Ooh, Zach, nice inside move. Something nose in there. And ran Mike wide. They're battling hard. That is good news for Chili. 17-3. Chili having some trouble over that jump again. Doing a 720 out. Boy, it's Phil, Zach, Sanders, Chili, Jason, and Dave. 21 points. Phil has a huge lead. 9 seconds already. 17-4. We're only a minute and a half in. This is race number 5, about halfway through our mains here tonight. 17-5. Still want to thank everybody for coming out and supporting BGRC. 18-8. Had an awesome opener last week, and if you didn't see that, you missed a heck of a race. 144 entries. Fantastic racing. 17-9. 18-2. Great racing right here tonight. Zach is actually making up time on Farmer Phil. Has some work to do though. 8.4 seconds was the gap last time by. Sanders is not too far behind him, just 1.8. Looks to be roughly the same gap this time through. 18.5. So we're down to 1.1. Zach turning 18.5 to Sanders 17.8. We've got one down to the count. That is Jason's truck picking up the go. Good Phil. Going up over the double. Phil, no issue with it at all. 19-1. Second place, Zach in the roller section. Sanders not too far. 15-5. 21.4. Jason out of this one early. 2:45 in, 2:15 to go, drivers. 2:15 to go. 18-0. 6 coming up. Mod truck 5. Sorry, Phil. 17-6. 18-4. Sanders with a slap wheelie. And then the wall. Marshall. That does let Chili catch up. He made up a couple seconds there. 17. Last time the gap was about 8 seconds. This time 4.5. 17-8. 18-3. 17, 20.1. 20.7. 17.9. 18.4. 17.4. 21.1. All right, just over a minute left to go in this one. Farmer Phil, the commanding lead. 9.6 seconds is the gap between them. Farmer Phil does hold the fast lap of the race. The 17.379 in lap number 7. Zach with a 17.47. 17 in lap 10. Sanders 17.8. 17.7. Last time by was his fast lap of the race. Bonk. 18.1. 21. Our second and third place truck still having trouble making it over that double. Farmer Phil, 30 seconds left. Still Spin it.
17.9.
No trouble.
19.6.
20 seconds.
17.4.
No real close races going on right now.
18.5.
9 to 14 seconds between all cars.
17.9.
5 seconds.
19.5.
And still gonna make it? Yes, keep going, Bill. Got the bonus lap. Race is over, run it till everything will be done.
Car 2 is done.
Got 2 tenths. And that's it.
Car 1 is done.
Bill takes that one. Only driver to make 18 5, 17 pace, that 17.509, Sanders 16.505.